Today we have a 2013 Platinum F450 Super Duty. This truck came from a single owner background from a customer that we are very familiar with. We've had multiples of his vehicles in the past that we have sold. He keeps a really nice dually at all times. He also keeps a couple single rear wheel trucks. We've been lucky enough to get them most every time. This truck is riding on a leveling kit with 35-inch Toyo all-terrain 22-inch tires and 22-inch custom American Force wheels. Full platinum accessories, tuxedo black paint. Hopefully you can see it today with the sun being so bright. Does have some smoked lenses, cab lights, mirrors, fender lights, gooseneck and fifth wheel provisions, tailgate with step, spray and bed liner, power folding steps, and the chocolate interior. Sunroof, navigation, full power options, and no interior wear and tear whatsoever. WeatherTech floor mat since new. 54,000 miles. 6.7 Powerstroke. This truck is perfect, flawlessly clean, no rust. Came out of Carolina. He has tinted the windows also. This is one clean, low mileage, extremely ready to go truck. I don't think you'll find one in this mileage and this well accessorized for this price. If you do send it our way, we'd love to have it. Tire condition's excellent. Deep lip wheels. I'm sure there's a blemish somewhere. It's black, but as you can see, it's a pretty darn clean truck. Just about perfect, I'd have to say. A couple other 450s that we have in stock, just in case that one doesn't catch your fancy. There's a 450 with our custom lift on it. Straight from Davis Off-Road. King coilovers. 4-link system. This truck's turned way down. It would run a lot bigger tire and wheel if you wanted. Customer just wanted to keep a good, clean factory look, which he did. I'll do another video of that truck in just a minute. And here's the pride of the fleet, an F450 that is truly an F450 truck, not just some excursion that's been crazily modified. F450 with a custom conversion, making it 6 doors. Tuxedo black as well. Extremely clean conversion. Nice video of this truck on the website. Another set of American Forces. Of course, most guys like racing and side-by-sides and all that. There's a nice enclosed trailer that's just rolled in. One of 4 that we have in stock. Check them out at davis4x4.com. Or if you're watching us on the YouTube channel, be sure to click and subscribe. We'll keep on bringing trucks to you. As long as they keep rolling in, we'll keep getting them posted. 804-271-0030. Thank you very much.